Hello Standard 8. Let's continue chapter number 8, that is cell structure and function. Students, let's see introduction first. Dear students, from what materials body of plant and animals are made? Answer is very simple, that is cell. From cell a body of plant and animals are made. Dear students, so a cell is the basic unit of our body. Dear students, even a single cell perform various types of function like respiration, digestion, excretion, reproduction, etc. Every part of our body and every part of plant body is made from cell. Therefore, cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. So, what is the proper definition of cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. All the organisms, whether it is lower organisms or higher organisms, body of every organism is made from cells. For example, amoeba. The body of amoeba is made from single cells. And in that single cells, amoeba perform all type of various functions like respiration, excretions, reproduction, etc. On the other hand, higher organisms body are made from many types of cells. Or now let's continue next topic, that is discovery of cell. Dear students, in 1665 Robert Hooke, an English scientist, while examining a thin slice of cork, he saw a structure which resembles like honeycomb structures. What is cork? Dear students, cork is a substance which is obtained from the bark of a tree. रॉबर्ट हुक ने एक प्लांट का छिलका का छोटा छोटा टुकड़ा को काट लिया था, थिन स्लाइस ऑफ कॉर्क, और अपने द्वारा खुद से बनाया गया माइक्रोस्कोप में उसको लगा के देख रहे थे. तो रॉबर्ट हुक को एक स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई दिया. वो स्ट्रक्चर किस तरह का दिख रहा था? मधुमक्खी की छत की तरह दिख रहा था. इसी मधुमक्खी को छत को रॉबर्ट हुक ने सेल कहा. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द सेल डिस्कवर्ड बाय रॉबर्ट हुक was actually a dead cell. Cell theory. Dear students, the cell theory was given by two German biologists. The cell theory was given by two German biologists. T. Swan and M.J. Scladen. According to them, cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Dear students, cell theory was given by two German biologists, T. Swan and M.J. Scladen. According to them, cell is the structural and functional unit of life. But these two scientists were unable to explain how new cells arise. नया सेल कहाँ से बनता है इसके बारे में वो लोग नहीं बता पाए. Then one scientist named Virchow modified cell theory as Virchow modified cell theory as cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Second, cell is the smallest unit of life. Third, all organisms are made from cell and their products. And fourth, all cells are arise from pre-existing cells only. So, according to Virchow, what is cell theory? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the smallest unit of life. All organisms are made from cells and their products. And he added one more point, that is all cells are arised from pre-existing cells only. मतलब जितना भी नया सेल्स का फॉर्मेशन होता है वो सेल का पुराना टुकड़ा से ही होता है. इसी को विर्चोव ने मॉडिफाई किया सेल थ्योरी. इसी को एक पॉइंट को बढ़ा के विर्चोव ने सेल थ्योरी को मॉडिफाई कर दिया. ओके.